How to recover data after factory reset on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to recover data after factory reset on iPhone. So let's get started. First, you have to open settings on your iPhone. Alright, after you open settings, tap on general. From the general section, you'll have to scroll down and tap on the option transfer or reset iPhone. Alright, from the section tap on erase all content and settings. And from here, you'll have to tap on the option continue, and after you tap on that, you'll be able to choose for the backup or option restore from your iCloud, and after you choose or go the options like restore from iCloud backup, you'll be able to backup everything data that is saved on your iCloud backup, and after you choose for that, you can easily recover or restore that data from your iCloud backup. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.